Hello, Nico from Gents Frame is here, and today I'm going to show you a knife pouch that I received from Tactical Geek. The model is called A2-L storage pouch. It's offered in black and camouflage colors. I immediately felt that it's quite light, with long shape, nice appearance, large pocket in the front and zipper in the back. It's not very thick, made from 500D nylon, a splash resistant fabric that keeps content dry. Let me remove the tag. On the front we see a standard, quite ordinary brand label. MOLLE system with 4 laser cut compartments. Double stitching along the entire length. The fabric is solid and according to the specifications it's listed as abrasion resistant, stain resistant and tear resistant. On the other side we also have a MOLLE hook and whoop webbing. YKK zipper opens a relatively flat pocket. Zips smoothly every single time. The elements look sturdy. The front pocket has a velcro flap for quick access. Its length is 15 cm or 6 inches. It fits knives up to 13 cm folded, that's about 5 inches, so fits most EDC folders. The inner material feels quite soft to the touch, which will provide some protection. Width is 75 mm. Let's close it and see what's next. There's a triangle plastic spring buckle at the top. Nice tension spring. We can attach it to jeans, backpack or wherever you find it useful. Looks very strong. We've checked the specifications, let's see how useful it can be for us. I have a standard size knife with approximately the same size multifunctional flashlight. They fit well, quite decently actually. In the back part there's almost no space left, and if used it should be for something quite flat. It seems usable and is quite convenient for quick removal and storage. Alright, let's try something different. I'll try to put several smaller items, like a Swiss knife, small flashlight and a zipper lighter. I'll need to arrange them a bit better. I don't think I pushed them perfectly. Let me push a little bit more. And now it's different. We can close it more tightly. It looks nice and is soft to the touch. This one has a little more space in the back, but I wouldn't count on it for anything other than credit cards or cash. This was the first look of A2 pouch. Would you use this one for your EDC setup? Thanks for watching, hit that like button. Subscribe for more honest gear reviews. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!